Hello everyone! In this video, I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use Quizlet. So if you're here, welcome back to my video. Or if you are new here and you haven't really seen my channel yet, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification for more other videos to see other new exciting or upcoming videos that we're gonna do. Okay. So first, what you want to do in Quizlet is log in or sign up for accounts. As for signing in for free, you could also just continue with Google or just make an account on there. So you could use your birthday, your email, and the password, all that, and then you could sign up. Or if you have an account logged in already, so you could just sign up and log in there. Okay, so after you're getting your account done, so you're gonna be entering your birthday and stuff, all your date of birth, your year. So it could be just random. It won't tell anyone about your any birthdays or anything like that. So okay, so after that, when you click on your birthday and all that, it will show Quizlet Plus, all that, quiz, all that. So you can play for it's like $35. That's like $2.99 a month. So I know it's pretty expensive. If you tell me just one test, Quizlet, well, it's like for teachers probably. Yeah, it's basically for teachers, all that. Okay, so if you selected as a teacher, so like maybe like about like I'm not really sure, like 20 years old and older. Not very sure about that for the options, but it will show about test and all that flashcards. So you can assign a new class, or you can assign a new activities, categories, study guides, and practice tests. So you could go to categories. Welcome to Categories. Categories is a quiz game for classrooms. Instantly generate a game board for your class material and have teams complete for points by answering questions. Choose content for your game board. So you could choose your set of kind of game boards and all that. Choose sets. Was like Disney. I don't think. Because I feel like mine's like loading a lot, so. But yeah. How to play. So you could add all your like students and all that, and then like it's just like Kahoot. Not really basically like just like it, but like yeah. I'm not really sure about Quizlet that much. Yeah, I think I'll get it. So if you go back, you have your library notifications. Basically it's like loading on my end really a lot, but yeah. You have like Lorianne, HIV and medications, all that, cardiac disorders, and then you just click on the side for more of the tests and all that people have made. PED, Q4, and then QMS, midterm, and then yeah, all the disorders and stuff. Like basically just for kind of like designs or like things you could add for in this. So yeah, you can assign a new class, so give your name like a class and all that. Cat, and then school name. Okay, so basically you gotta add your school in order to have basically a room. I do not I chose the teacher option just for you guys to show like the options as a teacher, but I will show you guys the end for the student one. So teachers, make sure to add your school name and then add your class name and all that. Assign activities for kids. Yeah. Okay. So let me guys show you how to use the student way, I guess. Okay, for the student's end, you have here just all the benefits and stuff. I do not know how to click out of this, but yeah, Okay, so continue with free Quizlet. Okay, so the kids end, you just have flashcards and then expert solutions. All the kids stuff, geometry, algebra, chemistry, all the smart ones. But yeah. Hi there, let's finish up your profile. You create your profile into the settings. So you could go settings over here, and then you could choose your profile picture. So you could just add your picture and all that. Or you could just add all your kinds of photos. So I'll add my photo. Okay, so for me, I added Chikawa. If you guys don't know what Chikawa is, it is basically the most cutest show I ever seen in my entire life. I'm just kidding, guys. But yes, it is pretty cute. I love Chikawa so much. Yeah, basically, I don't know what to tell you guys. I like Chikawa, I like Usagi, I love Hachiwara too. I love Usagi again. I love them, actually. If you guys haven't seen it, it is a pretty good show. It's not really a show, it's like, you can watch it on YouTube. Yeah, basically, they don't speak exactly human words, but it's like minions, but like, yeah, but they don't speak any words besides from the guards around them. But yeah. So you could change your username, your email, and then the theme. So you could change it to light or dark. I'm going to change it to dark because I like the dark better, you know? Yeah. I could change my language into like any kind of language. So we have like English, Espanol, French, Italian, Portuguese, we have like Chinese, Korean, and then like Japanese, and then Vietnamese, Portuguese, yeah. And then we have study reminders, so if you guys need like reminders into like studying, you can always choose like 12 a.m. I don't even know how. You have like 12 a.m., 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 6 a.m. So y'all, please don't stay up just to study, y'all. I see that. I see the 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 12 a.m. But please don't study if it's that, and I mean that important, then you could study, but that for that long, but like, it'll mess up your brain if you do study and like put a reminder studying for like 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m. But yeah, just telling you guys. We got the time zone, we got the Quizlet password. You can create any specific password, just make it a good password so that people don't hack you or anything. But yeah. Okay. Yeah, I have the Chicago profile. I don't know. I saved my picture for that. But yeah. You have your library. So you have like practice text, expert solutions, and folders. So you keep folders inside the app, which is pretty cool. Just letting you guys know. It's pretty cool to just save folders and all that. You have like online folders so that you could keep your papers, all that, just for like college, high school, when going into like maybe elementary school. They basically use computers in like elementary school. Not some schools. Some schools do not have computers. But here we do use computers as an elementary school. Yeah, basically middle school too. You could use middle school. Some middle schools do accept online types of folders too, but yeah, you could save it on your phone, iPad, all that. Practice tests, so you could search for a practice test. So here you have science, languages, arts, and humanities, and then math, social science, and then other. So I'm gonna click on other. And then we could search for flashcards, so let's see. I don't know if there's Chicago. Let's do Chinese. I don't know any Chinese guys. Yeah. Let's go learn Chinese, guys.
名字
Oh. Yeah. So there's 241 flashcards. Let's go to the Korean one. I don't even know any Korean either, so have like Hangul, all that. Yeah.
가다, 가다,
Okay. I don't know. Um, to give, to learn, to have again, quickly to. So it'll show like words, and then you could just flip them around. To learn. So this
배우다,
is Quizlet is just flashcards where it helps you learn and all that. So it gives you like flashcards. You can learn a new language out of this. So this is pretty cool. Pretty good. So you can match, you can blast, you can use blocks, you can test yourself. Flashcards and learn. Yeah. Basically. This is a pretty cool app. I literally love Quizlet so much. I don't even know how to use it, but I just love it right now. So yeah. I can learn a new language and all that. Anyways, back to the kind that we were looking for in the video. Basically we have flashcards. You can make your own flashcards and all that. You could create like questions for yourself, or you want to learn this language, but you need to learn that language first. You can learn your home country language. You can learn any kind of language that you want specifically. So get expert solutions. So we got some experts here. So if anyone's a nerd, which I'm not pretty much a nerd, but I call myself a nerd because yeah. Basically test experts and all that. Flashcards, you could use the same thing again, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna search for textbooks. Not textbooks. Language. I'm gonna be typing in the. Oh yes, period. There is, and yeah. So let's see if I know this. Well, my home country. Language. I do not know if there's any. Yeah, I don't think there's any. Y'all. Yeah. Sadly not. There is quizzes for the historical and more of the history kind side for the temples and all that. Yes, it's beautiful. I'm telling you guys, it's really beautiful actually. So yeah. Maybe I should make one so y'all could basically see it. Yeah, this is it for this video. I hope y'all like this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification for more of the videos. Wasn't really a tutorial basically, but it's basically for learning for people that want to learn a new language and all that. But yes, so make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification for more other videos to see more unboxing, free products that people give us. Thank you for that too though. Basically DIY, Roblox videos, educational videos. I'm doing more educational videos for y'all. Basically quizzes to learn for y'all. So see you next time. Bye.